What's up, mother flippers? It's Brendan McIntosh here. Welcome to Brandex Supply Co. I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump straight into how to work with smart objects in Photoshop in 60 seconds or less. Let's hit the timer. Cool. So if you've got a mockup scene or any Photoshop file that has smart objects and you want to place your artwork, all you need to do is find the layer associated with that smart object, double click on it, and a new window will open in Photoshop. Then you can go to File and Place. You can choose linked or embedded and place your artwork. Navigate to your artwork, place it on the scene, and if you're happy with the position and the scale, then you can just tick that off, and then you can hit Control S or Command S on MacBook, or the old-fashioned way, you can go File, Save, and then whatever you saved on that object will be updated in the main scene. It's pretty cool. It's an awesome non-destructive way of working. Let's try this in 16 seconds. I'm going to try and make some manipulations here. So if I just grab a new layer, take a paintbrush and go put something funny like that there and hit Control S, in 3, 2, 1, 0, bam, it is updated on the main scene. Awesome. I hope this is helpful. If you like this scene, it comes from a mock-up kit called the Presentation Mock-up Kit Volume 2, and you can get it on Creative Market. I've put the link in the description. And I've designed that to mock up presentations, but it works for any 16:9 aspect ratio artwork, and it can really help to make it look amazing. Cool. So remember to just create it and take care.